Hey y'all, I just want to show you guys how I sewed in this hair at home by myself. Please ignore my forehead. That's not what we're here for. Okay, it's not what we're here for. So I'm going to start out with, of course, threading some needle, and then this is me showing you my tracks. So what I did was I doubled them. I just folded once in half. Now, when you put the needle in, you want to go under the track, as you see here, and under the braid. So when I start, I'm going to put it right where my braid is, and I'm going to sew under the track and then under the braid. Okay, so this part I want you guys to pay very close attention. I take the other end of the thread, I open it, and I put the needle through. And then just pull. And that'll give you your first knot. And then from there you can continue to just go under the track and then under the braid. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys one more time how I do the first knot. Hopefully you see it better in this angle. So once I find the braid that I'm going to put the track onto, you want to make sure you place the track where the braid is. You could do it under the braid, on top of the braid, whatever. I chose to do under the braid. So what I'm going to do is, like I said before, take the needle and put it under the track and then under your braid. And as you pull through, you're going to have that second end. You just want to pull through enough so that you can grab the second end and open it up. And once you open it up, you can go ahead and put the needle through. And then once the needle is through, you just pull and boom, there you go. You have your first knot. And from there, you can just continue to sew as normal under the track, under the braid. Alright, so this is my final look. I really love this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.